Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Sienna. The Sienna is featured in a gray paint finish. Inside the vehicle, we also have gray cloth seating surfaces with enough seating for 7 people. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine with an automatic transmission. Also outside the vehicle, we have our alloy wheels as well as our roof side rails. Inside the vehicle, we have our options for our lane keep assist, forward collision alert, as well as our lane departure warning. Now moving into the front of the vehicle, we have our gray finish door handle, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and rear window lock. Storage throughout with our speaker. Inside the vehicle, just to the left of the steering wheel, we have traction controls, storage space, as well as gas cap and hood release with our e-brake on the bottom. Driver's seat has manual settings and the seat itself finished in our gray cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have all of our display cluster settings. In the center, we have a digital information system, as well as a digital speedometer, distance to empty, and our odometer, which displays 44,844 kilometers. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our volume controls, hands-free settings for our radio, as well as voice recognition. And we have our hands-free for our phone calling. Lighting controls are up and on the left. Right-hand side, this is the controls for that display cluster information system. And then we also have our wiper controls, lane departure warning, and forward collision alert with cruise settings below. Key to entry, we also have a built-in alarm system and locks and unlocks on the key. Shifter is just to the left of our climate controls. In the middle, we have our infotainment system. We have home, our menu for audio, phone, apps, info, and setup. Go into audio, we have AM as well as our FM radio and much more. You can also adjust our source throughout, and we can see we have USB and Bluetooth as well, and LiveX Live. Volume's on the left and our tune is on the right. You can see all of our additional settings also on the right hand side. Then below that, tri-zone climate controls. We have front and rear defrost, mode settings, controls for driver side, passenger side, and rear. You can turn on and off our rear, and we also have rear mode and rear fan controls. Fan controls for the front and the center, as well as sync. Below that, we have power. So right here, we can see we have a USB and an aux, 12-volt plug, 2 pop-out cup holders, more storage below, 2 more USBs at the bottom, and another 12-volt plug, and a ground storage slot. Pass-through in the center. Passenger seat also finished in our gray cloth. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, we have our sunglass holder, as well as our tube dome lights and dome lighting controls. Now walking down the side of our vehicle, moving through our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Toyota center cap in black, as well as all-season tires. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, as well as black finished door handles, gas cap with a release inside the vehicle near the back, black roof side rails on the top of the vehicle. All the way around at the back, we have Toyota badging. Also have a trailer hitch in the bottom. Opening up the back, we have our release in the center, and we can lift up. Inside the back of the vehicle, we have fold flat third row bench in a 60/40 folding split. You can see all of our settings to stow as well as to use our seat. On the left hand side, we have storage space as well as a deep storage space where our seats sit. 12-volt plug on the passenger side, as well as hooks across on either side for privacy screens or our hooks. So starting inside the back of the vehicle, door handle to release inside with our locks, power window control, as well as storage with a cup holder. Moving across to the passenger side seat, gray seats, we also have our cloth on them. Center is our pass-through with all-weather mats throughout. Third row seating is a 60/40 fold flat bench, also in our gray cloth. On either side, we have our cup holders, as well as vents, lights, and a handle on the top. Then lastly, in the second and third rows, we have our rear climate. We can adjust it directly above the driver's side seat. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Toyota Sienna. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.